When you search for car pressure washers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Hourly Undercarriage Cleaner. First up is the Hourly Pressure Washer Undercarriage Cleaner. Priced at just $41.73, this caught my eye with its unique undercarriage cleaning feature. If you want to keep your car's underbody spotless, this is worth a serious look. What makes this product a game changer is its 16-inch cleaning width and 4,000 psi power. The attached extension wand makes it easier to maneuver, especially for larger vehicles. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The powerful spray gets rid of stubborn mud and road salt, which can cause rust over time. With over 1,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear there's demand for a tool that truly delivers. Now, some people complained about the attachment not fitting all models perfectly. Here's the thing though, if you have a compatible pressure washer, this should work well for you. For those with older models, it might be a bit of a hassle, but it's not a deal breaker if you clean your undercarriage frequently. This is perfect for you if you regularly take your car off-road or live in areas with heavy snowfall. Skip this one if you only do occasional washes and don't care about the underbody. At this price point, it offers solid value for the dedicated car enthusiast. Now, if the compatibility issue bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, 16-inch undercarriage pressure washer attachment. Next, we have the 16-inch undercarriage pressure washer attachment, available for $35.41. Its straightforward design caught my attention, and if you want a simple solution for undercarriage cleaning, this is worth a serious look. This model also boasts a 4,000 psi output, allowing you to tackle tough grime without too much effort. This is great for you because it helps maintain your vehicle's health by removing corrosive substances that can accumulate over time. With over 400 purchases in the last month, it's definitely gaining traction among car owners. However, there are reports of the attachment being a bit flimsy during use. Here's the thing though, if you're gentle while cleaning and don't apply too much pressure, it holds up just fine. This isn't for heavy-duty users but should serve well for regular maintenance. This is perfect for you if you want a budget-friendly option that still gets the job done. Skip this if you need something more heavy-duty or are frequently cleaning commercial vehicles. For the price, it's a solid investment for casual car care. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a full cleaning experience. Product number 3, Power Washers for Home. Coming in hot, we have the Power Washers for Home, priced at $126.48. It's designed not just for cars but also for driveways and patios, which caught my attention immediately. If you want versatility in your pressure washer, this is worth a serious look. This unit comes with 4 quick connect nozzles and an adjustable soap tank, allowing you to customize your cleaning experience. The ability to switch from a high-pressure spray to a soap application means you can tackle any cleaning job from your car to your backyard. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It simplifies your cleaning routine, allowing you to switch tasks without needing multiple devices. With over 200 sold recently, many buyers are clearly finding it useful. Now, some users mentioned that the assembly instructions were less than clear. Here's the thing though, once set up, it works like a charm and is worth the initial hassle. It might be tricky for first-time users, but the payoff is a powerful cleaning experience. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use tool that can handle more than just car cleaning. Skip this if you're only looking for a car washer and don't want to deal with assembly issues. The value is definitely there for the price. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful, the next product might just blow you away. Product number 4, Pressure Washer with Touchscreen. Last but not least, we have the Pressure Washer Power Washer with Touchscreen, priced at $159.38. Honestly, the touchscreen feature really grabbed my attention. If you want modern convenience when cleaning your car, this is worth a serious look. This powerhouse boasts a whopping 5,000 psi, making it one of the strongest on our list. The 4 quick connect nozzles allow you to switch from tight spots to wide coverage with ease. The foam cannon is a fantastic addition, letting you apply soap evenly for a thorough wash. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Higher pressure means you can blast away tough stains while saving time, which is essential for busy schedules. With over 50 sold in the past month, it's definitely a popular choice. However, some users found the touch screen a bit sensitive, leading to accidental changes in settings. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it becomes a handy feature that adds precision to your cleaning. It might frustrate a few at first, but overall, it's a fantastic tool for tech lovers. This is perfect for you if you love gadgets and want the most powerful option available. Skip this if you prefer simpler devices and don't want to deal with a learning curve. For the features offered, it represents good value for an advanced cleaner. So to wrap it up, we've looked at the hourly undercarriage cleaner, the 16-inch undercarriage pressure washer attachment, the versatile power washers for home, and the powerful pressure washer with touch screen. Each has its strengths, whether you need something budget-friendly, versatile, or high-tech. No matter your choice, your car cleaning will never be the same again.